To fix this error, you need to go to search menu and type edit group policy. Click on open it. Under computer configuration, expand the administrative templates in the expand system. Device guard. On right side, turn on virtualization based security. Double click. Set this to disabled and select apply and OK for save changes. Once you done this, just close stuff here. And now go to search menu and type Windows PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes option. Check my video description for this command used. Copy the command and paste with Ctrl V and press enter. Once this done, check my video description for the second command. Copy and paste with Ctrl V and press enter. Once this done, close stuff here and restart your PC. After the restart done, you can able to open the virtual machine without any error. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.